rinse you, okay? You can't live your life with just soap on your body. Whoa, it's okay. Come on. All right, I'm trying to figure out how to get
God makes messy things beautiful when you put them in his hands. God makes messy things beautiful like only he can. After the showers, look for the flowers, and you'll find out it's truthful. God makes messy things beautiful.
Did I disturb you from your slumber? Oh, your majesty. I know, isn't she funny? She was up here snoozing. Oh, look at her. She's such a sweetheart. You're such a sweetheart. Jojo's in here. Jedediah's in here. Ah, let me go, Jojo. I gotta go into the kitchen. It's been a while since we vlogged. Yes, we've been very busy. We have had wedding and, I mean, what else? There's like been, since, when was the last time we vlogged? I don't even remember. Was it the hurricane? I think it was the hurricane. But anyways, since then we've had lots of stuff. We've had like wedding and the kids have gotten sick and then they got better. And we've had a house viewing, so look at the house. It's so clean. This is the cleanest we've had our house in a long time. It looks so great. Hi guys. Yes, you may go outside. Look at the house, look at the house. Well, they've already got blankets everywhere, but look, it's so clean and we've decorated for fall time. Yes, everybody can go outside. We've gotten rid of, that's loud. I'll let y'all finish. I'll be out in a little bit. Hurry up, Josie's coming, shut the door. Anyway, so we've gotten rid of the table and we put the piano there, and so this whole wall is empty and stuff, but it's just so clean and I love it. But hopefully, maybe one of the people that came yesterday to view it are gonna like it and they might put an offer on. She wants to go outside. So real fast before I go outside, the kids and I wanted to have some quiche, so that's what I'm making. I'm making some quiche. I'm about to do the pie crust right now and then get all the eggs and stuff mixed up. But I gotta hurry up because they really want me to go outside and play with them. And Libby wants to play, and I actually need to give Libby a bath today, and I need to give Trixie a bath. That's gonna be interesting. She needs a bath. Fleas and stuff like that, we just need to get them clean and get them rubbed down with some diatomaceous earth to get rid of them completely. But I need to get to work. This vlog is turning into the quiche vlog. Waiting so impatiently for it. It looks so good. I can't stand that one line. It's in between the two pieces of glass, and I'm gonna have to unscrew this whole entire thing apart again to get in there and to clean that one line that drives me crazy, but it's looking good. And you are very cranky today, and yet you're smiling at me, but that's because you were up so late last night. You're so beautiful. Oh, say hi. Say hi. What do you want? You, what? Are you stuck? No. No? She's silly. You're sitting funny in your chair. Let me see your picture you drew. We all drew fall time, or, you know, some of them fall time pictures on our placemats. So she drew pumpkins with the word fall on it and a leaf and little hearts. Love it. I had a cute scarecrow and some corn, but Josie spilled her drink all over it last night, so it got wiped off. But Jedi drew outer space, like usual. Audrey drew Flash for Whitaker. And then I drew sunflowers on mine, but Josie drew her finger across it. And then Josie, what'd Josie draw?
I draw a leaf.
Oh, you drew a leaf? Oh, you traced the leaf pattern. That leaf thing that we have, those little plastic leaves? Aw, cute.
And that, it kind of looks like wind blowing across the flowers.
It does. It does kind of look like wind is blowing across the flowers. But the quiche, I added extra cheese on top. Look at it. Makes you hungry, doesn't it? It looks so good. Look, hello, Autumn. So excited that it's autumn. What about Trixie? What, Undie boy? Mr. Undies? What do you have in your hair? You've got something stuck in the back of your head. It's one of those stickers from your little kids meal thing yesterday. My phone's going off telling me that the food's ready. They got these cool little things that they could build last night in their kids meals at Wendy's. Anyways, they're really cute. Audrey got like a candy shop. Jedi got a laboratory, and Whitaker got a robot shop. And Josie got the same thing, but they're really cute. Undies! You've got, your pants are right there. Do you see them? They're on the floor. Get that out of your mouth. Get it out of your mouth right now. Don't put that in your mouth. Dude, he's putting a ball in his mouth. Don't do it. Dangerous choking hazard. Not only that, Trixie has been playing with this all over the floor, so you just put like feet funk in your mouth. Hey, stop that. Oh, that looks so good. Hurry up and get in my belly. Most of the black-eyed Susans are done for. I did cut them back, but I cut them back to the little buds. So it says that if you cut them back just to the buds, that it should do another blooming. And these are starting to bloom. So I'm just waiting for all the rest of them to bloom out. But look at how dirty the porch has gotten. And we only have one spider left. That mama right there. Look at her. She's really big too. Oh, it's not focusing on her. But, I mean, she's not our only spider. She's just the biggest one, because we do have a little one right there in between the chairs, and then there's a couple of them over on the windows. But look, we have a pumpkin. Got a pretty little pumpkin. Ugh, there's leaves on the floor. So it's very fallish, very fall out here. I am outside, and I am so sorry. Sorry. I'm out here because the chickens need water, so I have to give them water. While the bucket is filling up with water, I wanted to film our cute little decorations out there. I'm going to have to go out and film it better because you can't even see the words. Happy fall, y'all! It's the same ones we do every single year. I just kind of changed it up a little bit. I moved them over to a different spot. We've got flowers, and of course I got the little wreath on the thing, the gate. Yes, the thing. Everything's a thing when I can't think of what the words are. I'm coming with your water! I'm coming! Check and see if y'all got any eggs for us. There's poop! Oh yeah, there's, what, 4 eggs? That's it? I was all expecting to see a bunch of them. We got them yesterday, so 4 of late today. And I gotta get food. We're out of food. I can't get them. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. No, don't put it up there yet. Okay, we are going to attempt to give Trixie a bath. This is going to be interesting, and Jedi says he wants to record it too. I've never given a cat in a bath before. Please don't claw me, but you really need to have your body cleaned because of those fleas, okay?
Get in there!
Yeah, oh boy.
She's putting her paws and claws out. I know. It's alright, Trixie. It's okay.
It's okay. Let me check your temperature. Hot. No, it's warm. Feels good. I know you're not going to be happy with me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way.
It's okay.
Oh, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I know you don't like it. I know. But we gotta clean your body. I'm recording and you're blocking it.
No.
Oh, I know you don't like this. It's alright. Once you get used to it, you'll realize it's all good. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's not so bad.
But what do cats not like?
Because cats don't like to be wet. It's a thing. I don't know. Maybe because they feel like they can't be super agile or something. Alright.
Hey, Mom. Can you
I know, sweetie.
upload the video?
Just let me get this washed off
Can
of you.
you upload the video? Put my screen into the
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Let's get you clean. She
Wait,
wants to be up. Look at her. Oh.
Look. Hey, Mom.
It's okay, Trixie. I understand. I know you don't like it, but you gotta get clean.
Poor
It's okay. Audrey,
He's
stop
like,
walking the background.
He's like, why did you do this to me?
I'm so sorry, guys. I blocked the camera.
Yeah.
I didn't. I forgot.
When you upload this video, you put my video into the
I
video.
add that video in. That's not connected to my computer. Alright, it's
2
alright.
hours later.
2 hours later.
5 hours
I
later.
know, Trixie. I'm so
9
sorry.
hours
I
later.
hope you'll forgive me and not be completely traumatized for the rest of your little kitty cat life. Now we have to rinse you. I have to rinse you, okay? You can't live your life with just soap on your body. Whoa, it's okay. Come on. Alright, I'm trying to figure out how to get
He wants it to be warm.
It's alright. Let's get you rinsed.
Poor
It's
Trixie.
okay, Trixie.
Trixie's like, why did you do this to me?
She's getting my elbows all.
Hey,
Alright, I'm gonna
look.
have to do the sprayer.
Look, you
No.
wash your head. Look, you wash your head.
Okay.
Wash your head. Wash your head.
Well, maybe I should have done the bathtub, but I thought maybe I could control her a little bit better in the sink. It's alright, we're gonna rinse you. Wait, stop. She's gonna scratch you, bud. I know, don't scratch me. It's alright. Okay, she's starting to really freak out now. Okay, we're gonna rinse. Don't block the thing, Audrey. It's alright, baby. Let's just get you rinsed off and then we'll get you out. You're like a little drowned rat right now. It's alright, Trixie. It's okay. It's okay. We are almost done. Are almost done. Are you gonna film? Thank you.
Ow, Fluffy.
Did she scratch you?
Bad girl.
No, she's not a bad girl. You, I told you already to back out of the way.
Oh.
All right, Trixie.
You do not
All right,
like
little
that.
wet cat. Little wet cat making me all wet. Let me rinse your tummy. There we
You
go.
not like it. Oh, you don't
She's
like
knocking
it.
everything down and getting me all wet.
Got me wet.
She's got me wet
Got
too.
me wet.
All right. That's it. Okay. Look, we're turning it off. I don't know, do cats shake like a dog? I don't know if cats shake. Okay, let me get her towel. Hold on. I don't want you getting on me all wet. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's all right. There you go. It's okay. Oh, look at this. Look at her face. Don't be so close.
Let me see.
Oh, okay, we can stop it.
Let me see her face.
Nice.
Let me
Turn it off.
see her face.
Stop. Trixie, I am so terribly sorry. Please forgive me. But this is going to make your skin feel so much better. Oh, I feel so bad for her. It's because I'm trying to hold the camera weird. Oh, I got to get her all dry. Poor baby. She did not like that, but that's okay. You won't need another one for like a year or more. She is so unhappy with me. Hey, are you wiping yourself? She's like, I'm trying to dry myself off.
After what you did to me. Trixie. I'm sorry. You will dry in no time. I promise you. She doesn't want me to rub her down, but I was rubbing her down anyways. Aww. After you're all dry, though, we've got to dust you with diatomaceous earth. I need to give Livy a bath. Do I want to? She needs one, so I probably need to do it. Look at her. Hey. Hey, I love you. I know you don't like me right now, but at least I got the stuff on you, and the fleas are not going to like that. That's going to help soothe your skin, too, because she's got a lot of little bites around her neck, especially. And so we got to get rid of them. Got to get them fleas gone. You're going to have major hairballs. Ugh. It's your turn, you crazy oaf. I'm going to set the camera down, and you stay. Good job. Put a lot of soap on you, girl. Rub it all in, rub it all in, rub it all in. I don't even know if I have enough soap. You guys so big. You're not even a tiny puppy anymore.
Oh, so lucky.
Oh no, I'm running out of soap. Alright, I'm going to use this for up under here, up under your belly. There we go. Alright, I need a little bit of water, maybe. Oh, there's a flea. See? Down the drain it goes. Here we go. Give it your bath. Ooh! You're such a good girl. Look at her standing like a big girl.
She loves you.
She does love baths. She actually does. She's gotten used to them now. Attention. Oh, my flea has dogs. You don't know what's wrong. My flea has dogs. Hey, I know I have a hole in my tights, but that doesn't mean you shove your finger in it and make it bigger, dude. My flea has dogs. You don't know what's wrong. Oh, my flea has dogs. My flea has dogs. We don't know what's wrong. Oh, my flea has dogs. Alright, let's rinse off that belly. We are going to get you flea free, Libby. Don't worry, girl. At least she hasn't, she's had quite a bit, but it's not like a bad infestation, which is awesome. I'm rinsing you, sorry. We just gotta keep rinsing her. Look at all the dirt coming off of her, though. Man, dog. You're so messy. She rolls in the mud and stuff outside. She's a dirty dog. You dirty, dirty dog. How do you feel? I think the running around tells me exactly how she feels. I'm sure you've already rolled all into this dry grass. She's so fun. Go, girl, go. I don't know where the frisbee's at. I guess you can give you a frisbee toss as your reward. Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Look at her rolling. Oh, Libby. I don't even know where'd you go? We found a frisbee. We need to buy new frisbees, don't we? Watch out, Jedi! Oh, the red frisbee's out there. I can see it. There it is.
September.
How many days are in September? 30 days. There's a little poem.
Tomorrow
Yeah? Tomorrow? What?
is the last day.
Uh-huh. There's a little poem. You want to throw it for her? Throw it for her. So she, good throw, Jedi. There's a little poem so you can remember how many days are in the months. And then it goes, 30 days has September, April, June, and November. That means those months right there have 30 days. The rest have 31, except when leap year comes around, 29 days can be found in February. I skipped it because I was trying to explain it to you, but 30 days has September, April, June, and November. The rest have 31, except in February, when leap year comes around, 29 days can be found. Because February only has 28 days. But I think it's every 4 years is called leap year, and they add an extra day in February, so it'll be 29 days.
Hey, Mom.
I know. Life. Confusing.
God made you special, and He loves you. He loves you. God made you special, and He loves you. He loves you very much.